The meeting, that was the second one in the past 1 week, attended by lawyers acting on behalf of senior security officials and security agencies, deliberated on a raft of guidelines drawn by a cabinet subcommittee charged with the ICC matters. In an exclusive interview with KTN, Justice Kalpana Rawal said her team is ready for the International Criminal Court.
We had a very fruitful meeting, all right, and yes, we have discussed the process.
The judge says the team is ready to take up the work of recording statements from senior security officials the moment Cabinet approves the guidelines. The team has not drawn up a list of who will appear before it first, but top security officials have already been notified.
Guidelines, of course. Guidelines is to be done by the Act, not by anybody else. Okay?
When are you likely to start work, Madam Justice?
Any time from now.
The police force has been blamed for killing 405 people out of the 1,133 killed during the post-election violence, and will be among the focus of the International Criminal Court.
If similar situations occurred today, I would do exactly what I did. I would not change a thing, my lord, and that is the honest truth.
We never even use military force.
The country's security apparatus defended the government's actions, but that was during the commission hearing. KTN has learned that senior security officials have been quietly lobbying the International Criminal Court to allow them to testify against senior government officials who could be linked with the post-poll mayhem. The ICC had written to the Kenyan government to furnish with the security minutes at the height of the post-election violence, a request the government reluctantly gave in to after protesting that some of the minutes touched on national security. But highly placed police insiders told KTN that the minutes had nothing to do with national security, but it had all to do with internal security and touched on orders given out to the police at the height of the violence. A senior security official told KTN, "We played safe. The orders given to us at the height of the violence were recorded and a copy of the same sent to our bosses." The Commission of Inquiry into the post-election violence in its report says in part the decision-making and behavior of senior police officers was influenced by outside factors. Last week there was a disagreement between members of the Cabinet subcommittee handling the ICC matter after security means for January 2008 reportedly went missing. The minutes, however, according to sources, are with the police. Sources say that senior political figures who served in key positions at the height of the chaos have been taken aback by the verbatim security minutes now available for scrutiny by the ICC. The International Criminal Court wants to question at least 8 provincial police officers, 8 provincial commissioners, and other police commanders. The State Law Office has been selected as the ideal location where top government security officials will record statements in the presence of International Criminal Court investigators. A second meeting chaired by High Court judge was held here today, but the exact date for the proceedings has not been set yet. Dennis Onsarigo, KTN, at the State Law Offices, Nairobi.